people, what's going on? It's your girl, The Polished Lady, and I'm live at Can for Naptown Narratives movie premiere, you guys. We are actually upstairs at the VIP section. I'm really excited to get people's expectations of the production. Shout out. And I have an offer to
Polished Lady for being here, for just like celebrating Chyna, Naptown Narratives, Storytellers, Love and Life. I'm just really, really excited for people to have a good time. I really pray that they're inspired by the story. And yeah, it's not good food, I'm really hungry. But yeah, I'm really grateful. So thanks for coming.
I'm looking forward to seeing what Lakeisha has worked on this evening. I've known her for a couple of years. My name is Miriam. I'm with Freetown Village, and we've been telling African American stories for almost 40 years now. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they're doing on the digital space.
Y'all, I'm seeing a lot of Naptown's very own pull up and show support. So it's a really exciting feeling. Everybody's currently dressed to impress. Beautiful thing to see. I am really, really, really excited. Hello, how are you?
Great, how are you?
Pretty good. Tell me, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Luke.
Hey,
How's it going?
what organization are you representing?
So I'm actually with Resultant. I'm a senior data scientist.
Okay, and tell me, what brought you here today?
So I know Murdoch, and also I'm volunteering for Visit Indy and the Indie Hub, and I think Indie Chambers. There are a lot of organizations.
What are you most excited about seeing for tonight?
So obviously, really excited about the upstairs food, drinks, and all that, and also Naptown Narratives. Gotta watch out for that.
Thank you so much for tapping in with me, you guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna have many more pieces in the house, you guys. Hi, how y'all doing? Oh, pretty good. Go ahead.
Where we at?
Actually, we're on two different platforms.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, we're here in support of Naptown Narratives on today. I am Brianna Janelle on Instagram and Facebook, also owner of the Polished Bar Indie, and you are?
Shakur Fentress. I am the owner of We Create Content production company.
Okay, and what are you most excited about seeing for tonight?
Just the Black excellence. I think that it's nice that we just give reverence and honor to, everything that Indianapolis has to offer. So we are here and I'm just happy to be here.
Two.
You always working?
Trying to. What are you most excited for tonight for Naptown Narrative?
I'm always excited to see people's stories because, stories are powerful. You know what I mean? So I'm just excited to see the stories, see the beautiful Black people on the big screen.
Everybody is looking amazing right now. I'm going to try to pull some people in. Hey, what's your name?
Eddie Dean from Eddie Dean Media.
Okay, Eddie, tell me a little bit about tonight and what are you excited to see or just...
I'm excited to see Naptown be put on the map in a way that I don't think a lot of people realize is already happening. Some people are hoping for a change. The shift is now, and as long as we keep looking for it to happen tomorrow or next week, that's where the change is going to happen for us in our minds. Lakeisha's been doing this for 10 years. I'm just meeting Murdoch, but this is something that has been a passion project. Respect these artists, huh? Very good.
Yes. No, tell them again one more time where they can find you on social media and follow your movement.
Sure. I'm working on a television pilot right now called Rise the Series. I've been working on it for 4 years now. So just Eddie Dean on Instagram, and Eddie Dean Media is my production company.
Right,
Cannot wait to see you again.
Y'all, Polished people, tap in with him. He's a great... Hey, we're live. Say hey.
You're live.
We're live. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good to see you again.
I know, right? It's been a little minute.
Every time I see her, there's something big going on. I just want to put that out there.
Yo, I'm just trying to be on his platform,
See, you come hang out.
When he come, okay. Y'all heard that here. That was live.
Documented.
But no, tell me about what you're most excited to see for tonight.
Oh, man. So I won't be able to stick around for the whole thing because I got another engagement I got to run to. But I want to come support because when I heard about Naptown Narratives, Anthony Murdoch, my buddy, my brother, when I heard what he was doing, what he was up to, and just the inspiration behind it, small business, like I was big on that when the pandemic hit. And so I was out just trying to push like small business owners and their platforms and their stories, so people can see and support them, and to know that that mission is continuing through stuff like this, and even in a bigger way. We're talking about a film, y'all, like a whole film
In the cinema, y'all. We here.
in the Can. So, and of course, the Can supports small business owners, small filmmakers, and to see what they're doing and how this collaboration is coming together, I'm like, I gotta at least get here. I'm not gonna get to see the film today, so but I'm definitely gonna catch it. So just to see what this has become, and the mindset that Murdoch has, and like that dream and it coming to fruition. It's too cool. Like I'm so excited. I gotta at least show up. Like I can't stay, but
Glad I got to get you, on the carpet, the red carpet.
the red carpet. You fancy out
Yeah,
here.
I'm just doing a little something, I appreciate you,
Appreciate you.
Y'all
I'm gonna let
tap
her get back
in,
to
tap
hosting.
in. Thank you. About Naptown Narrative and just what it means to you.
Yeah, this series means so much to me. This is something that Murdoch and I talked about for a couple years now. Last season, we did our first season. We had featured 5 people with their stories, and this year we're focusing on Chyna Goodlow. So it just means a lot to be able to show people what Naptown really is, who our culture is as Black people, and to celebrate something positive. Like, she's doing so many good things in the community, so I'm just really happy that we get to celebrate what she's doing.
Absolutely. We are so looking forward to the film, you guys. I hope that you guys tap in on our social media page. Make sure you go
5 Productions, LLC, and Circle City Storytellers.
because they put on a full production for you guys. They want to share Naptown stories and narratives and what's going on through storytelling. Shout out to Chyna Goodlow as well. I'm excited to see what happens here tonight. Polished people tapped in again for Naptown Narratives second season, and I actually got to stop Chyna's mom on the red carpet, you guys. How are you doing?
I'm good. And yourself?
Pretty good, ma'am. Tell me, what are you excited to see?
I am excited for the whole thing. I cannot wait to see my star on the screen.
Now, when you first heard about the production being made, what was your initial thoughts? Like, you were like, I know you were born to do this, and what were you saying?
I was just like, wow, what an honor. What an honor for her to get to tell her story and for them to actually follow her and see her story.
And is there any things that you would like to say to Chyna or the viewers who are not here, but we wish they could be here?
I just wish my mom and my grandma was here to see her, but I know they're looking down on her and they're just as proud as we are.
Definitely. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your time, and we are about to go in to see the movie premiere. As you can tell, we are at the movie premiere at Can Cinema, and I'm here with the superstar herself, Miss Chyna. How are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Pretty good. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling like I'm on a big platform.
Because you are.
I am. Beautiful Black stories being told on beautiful Black stages.
Definitely. And talk to me a little bit about like production for you. Is this something that you normally do?
It is not something that I normally do at all.
No. So I'm so excited to see the film and just everything that you have said. I've talked to your mom. Mom's chatted it up with me. And we were just talking about how excited she was for you and happy for everybody to see her superstar. Is there anything you would like to say to people who are not here right now, and that you wanted to send out a little word?
Yes. Don't ever think that your story is too small to be told, because it's not.
All right, y'all, we appreciate you so much for tapping in. We're about to go in to go see her amazing story for Naptown Narratives second season, y'all. Thank y'all for tapping in. It's your girl, The Polished Lady. I holla.